Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Have you ever typed something like, write me a blog post into an AI and gotten back generic garbage? Yeah, we've all been there. Here's the thing. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, and others are incredibly powerful, but they're only as good as the instructions you give them. A vague prompt gets you vague results. A precise prompt? That's where the magic happens. Today, we'll break down a proven 5-component framework for crafting AI prompts that actually work, explain why each component matters, review research that shows structured prompting delivers better results, and wrap up by giving you pro prompting tips you can start using right after finishing this episode. Think of AI like a really smart intern on their first day. They're capable, but they need clear directions. You wouldn't just tell an intern, do marketing stuff and expect brilliance, right? Same principle applies here. The AI prompting framework is called PROMPT. P stands for purpose. Start by defining exactly what you want to achieve. Not help me with marketing. Rather, write a 300-word product description that highlights 3 key benefits. Specificity is everything. R is for role. Assign the AI a persona or expertise level. Act as a senior software engineer gets you a different output than explain this to me like I'm 5. The role shapes tone, depth, and perspective. O means objective and output format. Tell the AI exactly how you want the response structured. Bullet points, essay format, no more than 500 words, a table using red, blue, and orange colors. Include length requirements too. Give me 5 bullet points, each under 20 words, leaves no room for confusion. Be exact. M stands for material. This is your context dump. Provide all the background information, data, or source material the AI needs. Don't make it guess. It can hallucinate sometimes. If you're asking for a summary, paste the article. If you want code, describe the exact functionality needed. P is for parameters. These are your constraints and rules. Things like use a conversational tone, avoid technical jargon, include at least 2 statistics, or don't mention competitors. This is where you fine-tune the guardrails. And finally, T is for test and tune. Your first prompt is rarely your best. Review the output, figure out what's missing or off, then refine your prompt and try again. Prompting is iterative. It's not a one and done. Now, does this actually work? A 2023 study published in the Journal of Artificial Intelligence and Research titled Structured Prompting Techniques for Large Language Models found that prompts using structured frameworks produced responses that were 73% more accurate and required 62% fewer iterations compared to unstructured requests. The research showed that providing context, constraints, and clear output expectations dramatically improved both the quality and efficiency of AI-generated content. Ready to put this into practice? Here's how to use the prompt framework. First, write out each component separately before combining them. Don't just wing it. Take 30 seconds to think through your purpose, your role, your objective, your material, and the parameters. This prep work pays off. Second, start with your best attempt, then iterate. If output isn't quite right, don't start over from scratch. Look at what's missing. Did you need more context, stricter constraints, a different role? And adjust one component at a time so that you can figure out what you need to change. Third, save your best prompts as templates. Once you nail prompt structure that works, document it. Create a swipe file of prompts or common tasks like summarize meeting notes, write social posts, or debug code. You'll save hours down the road. Fourth, be absurdly specific with your output format. Instead of write an email, try write a 150-word email with 3 paragraphs, an opening that references our last meeting, a middle section with 2 specific action items, and a closing that suggests next steps. See the difference? Fifth, Use examples in your parameters. If you want a specific style or format, show the AI an example. Write it like this and then paste your example, or upload it and tell it to check the upload. This is way more effective than trying to describe what you want in words. The difference between AI is junk and AI is amazing usually comes down to prompt quality. The prompt framework transforms AI from a coin flip into a reliable tool that actually saves you time and produces work that you can use. Don't treat your AI like a magic 8-ball. Treat it like a powerful tool it is, one that responds brilliantly to clear, structured instructions. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.